Hey, how's it going? Welcome to Varathane Garage. Let's talk about the Milwaukee M12 tools, right? You got a lot of these bad boys, right? You got an addiction. We all have addictions. Anyway, so you're gonna be at the point where you're like me, where you have a bunch of them just sitting on top of the toolbox. You could put them inside the drawer, but you're trying to wrestle them most of the time. So you know what? Let's try to do a challenge this much. Let's see what we could do this month for under $30, right? I end up spending $5 on the 2x4. Yeah, I know, 2x4s, right? Really, for $5, yeah, I know it sounds ridiculous, but I did get it for $5 instead of $100 for a 2x4. But I ended up using some, the stain right here that I have. It's a gel coat, it's a lot easier to use, it dries fast, and I think it looks good for me, at least for what I was trying to do. And since I'm not being sponsored by any of these guys, you're gonna have to go to Amazon or eBay and search for something like Milwaukee M12 battery tool holder. And you're gonna have something that looks like, right? And once you get those three things, you know, I'm gonna show you through the B-roll what I'm doing right now, how I did it. But it actually organizes the whole toolbox a little bit better. And you know, they stay on top of the toolbox. You can just plug and go, grab them and stuff like that. Do what you gotta do to get them. But anyways, here we go. Let's check it out.